In this issue, I will introduce how to add your favorite music to the video. Open UverVideo, click Add Videos. Select the material that needs to add audio from the album. Click to complete the import. In the toolbar at the bottom of the main editing interface, click the Audio button. You can add your favorite music or sound effects in UverVideo's music library. You can also add your own recording. Click Record, enter the recording interface. Click the red Record button to start recording. Click the Record button again to stop recording. You can also extract audio. Import your favorite music. Click to extract music. Select the video in the album. Click Finish to extract and import music. You can also perform audio separation processing on video clips. Extract the original soundtrack in the video. After adding music, you can edit the music. Control the volume. Split the music. You can also choose the effect of fade in and fade out. Long press and drag the audio. You can adjust the appearance time of the music. It also supports adding multiple pieces of music or sound effect mixing. The content of adding audio is introduced here. I will introduce more video editing tutorials to you in the next issue. Fast hands and try it.